Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time. Traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal. We've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Laters.
Oh, you stuck.
Oh.
Hi there, puppy.
Give me a puppy. Give me a...
His legs are too little. He couldn't get
Hi.
out.
Hi.
He's got such a little face.
Not wagging his tail anymore.
I think he's really warm.
Probably.
Oh, he's wagging his tail again.
Hi. You're a bit greasy, Pepper. I meant to say puppy. Hello.
Look at his ears.
Hello.
She called him Pepper.
I meant
Cat
to
over
say
there.
Puppy.
Mm.
Puppy. Ducky. Ducky. Hi. Hi, Ducky. Ducky.
She called him Pepper.
I meant to say puppy.
Too late now, I've recorded it.
Just wait till you show that to Pepper.
Yep.
You called us stinky. You called him stinky.
Ah, it's like, here, go on, pet me. Pet me.
This is what he's doing what Pepper does.
Yeah. Saying,
You
pet
called
me
him
more.
stinky, Mum. Yeah.
Oh,
Aw.
I turned my hotspot off by accident.
Hello.
Back on some.
Yeah, it's back on. Yeah.
Hi. 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 Hi.
What a spoiled doggy.
Hi. You're so happy.
He's in love.
Hello.
Aww.
Hi.
He's trying to sit on you.
Hello. He's got such little teeth.
It'll still bite your skin off. What? You gotta remember though, it's someone else's dog.
Yeah, your legs are too small. His legs are too short. He keeps not being able to get off. Look at his tail. Tail's wagging up. Ever.
His tail's going up.
I mean, so far you need a new window, a new window, a shutter. But they come, they actually come now with a window
Don't
shutter.
be jumpy or anything.
Shutter fitted in it.
Yeah, I've seen it.
It's like one unit.
Don't move too quickly around it.
And then you've got like a Juliet dog in there.
Hello.
She'll be absolutely fantastic. There's like a downstairs, upstairs,
Okay.
and then
Cool.
from what I can see, this building here.
Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters.